Ayan. Gustong-gusto niya yung ginagawa kong salsa. Yummy. Masarap naman talaga. Ayan o. Homemade salsa with peach and
It was the green stuff.
yeah, I put some
That's spicy.
cilantro.
Did you see that, baby?
Oh, no.
You said basil. Basil plant. Fresh. Very fresh.
How much?
Not much.
Merienda.
A little spicy.
I
I have heartburn tonight.
No. Spicy? Spicy daw, hindi naman. Fresh. Gutom ako. Ala, makain ko kaya lahat yan. Gumawa ako ng salsa and it's really, really good.
No, I'm very sorry about now. I just wanted to beat the crowd. Believe me, the country will be lining up to work for you.
With peach. Manghang daw, sabi ng asawa ko, hindi man. You want more?
Yummy. No more. I have more. Of course I have more.